If your Amazon cart is not already on fire, it will be after this. These are 10 of the coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon right now. And trust me, at least one of these is going to end up in your cart. Let's get into it. The SIKAI Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. At $55.99, this tiny keyboard folds up smaller than your phone and connects to any device: iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, all of it. It switches between 3 paired devices with one touch, has a built-in magnetic stand for your phone or tablet, and gives you up to 45 hours of typing on a single 2-hour charge. It weighs just 250 grams and fits in your jacket pocket. If you are always on the move and hate typing on glass, this one is a no-brainer. The Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Prism. At $539.99, these are not your average string lights, and they are not just for the holidays. Each light head has 3 dynamic color zones with access to over 16 million colors, more than 100 scene modes, and AI GC-powered adaptive lighting that makes your home look different every single night. They're IP68 waterproof, built for temperatures from -22 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and rated for up to 50,000 hours of use. Full Alexa and Google voice control is built in. If you want your home to stand out all year round, this is the upgrade your outdoor setup needs. The Divoom Timesgate Cyberpunk Desk Clock. At $129.99, this is one of the coolest desk accessories you can buy right now. 5 full-color LCD screens running pixel art and animated GIFs, all wrapped in a sleek cyberpunk design. Through the app, it displays real-time weather, world clocks, stock prices, social media follower counts, and live game stats. You can also create your own pixel art or download from millions of community designs, updated daily. This is the kind of gadget guests walk in, see on your desk, and immediately ask where you got it. The Synco XView Selfie Monitor. At just $45, this is one of the best value gadgets on this list for creators. It magnetically attaches to the back of your iPhone and wirelessly mirrors a live view of your rear camera from up to 164 feet away. Zero lag, dedicated 5.8 GHz connection, built-in speaker for real-time audio monitoring, and 4K at 30 frames per second. You get your best camera angle without needing anyone else on set. For $45, this thing punches way above its weight class. The Trexo Wheels Camera Dolly. If your videos look flat and static, this is the gadget that changes everything. Draw your exact camera path in the app, straight lines, curves, or complex combined movements, and the Dolly executes it perfectly every time. There's a learning mode where you physically guide it along a route, and it memorizes and repeats it on command. It comes with turntable plates for 360-degree product shots and uses ultra-silent motors, so it works even during interviews and quiet recordings. A serious upgrade for any content creator. The AI Wireless Mouse. This one is genuinely from the future. It's a 2-in-1 modular mouse with ChatGPT built right in. Snap on the magnetic handrest for a full ergonomic desktop mouse, then detach it instantly and it becomes a wireless presenter with a built-in laser pointer. It also has a voice recording button that captures what you say, and the AI summarizes it automatically. One device that replaces several. If your work life involves a desk and a boardroom, this mouse belongs in your hand. The remarkable Paper Pro Move. At $499.99, this 7.3-inch digital paper tablet actually feels, sounds, and writes like real paper. It's distraction-free by design. No notifications, no apps, just you and your thoughts. It's smaller than a paperback, slips into any bag, converts your handwriting to typed text, syncs to the cloud, and keeps everything organized with tags and folders. For anyone serious about focus and deep work, this is one of the most thoughtful productivity tools ever made. The BLUETTI Handsfree 2 Power Station, a 512 watt-hour power station built directly into a 60-liter outdoor backpack. It has a 700-watt AC outlet, 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, charges 5 devices at once, and fully recharges in 2 hours with solar panels. IPX4 water-resistant, 66-pound load capacity, and designed for all-day comfort on the trail. Whether you're shooting drone footage in the mountains or camping off-grid, this is the power solution that keeps everything running without slowing you down. The xTool F1 Dual Laser Engraver. At $1,699, this is for the makers and small business owners in the room. It hits 4,000 millimeters per second, works on over 300 materials including metal, wood, leather, and acrylic, and delivers precision down to 0.002 millimeters. It's fully enclosed to block smoke, weighs just 4.6 kilograms, and is beginner-friendly with autofocus and over 300 project templates. Take it to craft fairs, markets, or pop-up shops. If you've ever wanted to start a custom engraving business, this is the machine to do it with. The Nebula X1 Pro 4K Triple Laser Projector. At $4,999.99, this is the most premium gadget on the list, and it absolutely earns it. True 4K resolution, 3,500 ANSI lumens, 1.07 billion colors, and a 56,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio. The audio hits just as hard, with 400 watts of wireless Dolby Atmos 7.1.4 spatial sound all around you and above you. Built-in wheels and a telescopic handle make it fully portable, so you can roll it from your living room to your backyard in minutes. This is not a projector. This is a portable cinema. Full stop. And that's your list of 10 of the coolest Amazon gadgets worth buying right now. All the links are in the description below. Drop a comment telling me which one blew your mind. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next one.